Hi friends, welcome to Diksuchi. Hope you are enjoyed festival, also the trading today. Now let us review our today's trades. Also we'll check for tomorrow's trades. Okay? Yes, let us get in. So this time I have added few logos of the companies. These are the companies which rocked today out of our selection. So let us go in detail. Indices, if you see, Nifty and Bank Nifty, almost both for the first 15 minutes there was a volatility between. If you see the Nifty, first 15 minutes there was a medium volatility and it started taking the resistance around 18,300. Always, almost 3 to 4 times it has taken resistance, it faced resistance around 18,300. Finally the high it reached up to 18,322 and low, the support, it was taken at 18,229. That was sharply at the beginning almost. Okay, now if you see the Bank Nifty, 38,213 and 38,618 both have met almost within 15 minutes. So that's what has happened today. Once it reached the high, started coming down and slowly it was on downtrend and finally it marked minus 154.25. Whereas Nifty gained with 52 points. Okay. So it's most of the times was facing the support and Nifty was most of the times it was facing the resistance. That is what the status today. Okay. Now let us come to our trades. First, short-term investment review. I suggested DLF and BEL. DLF entry 419.5. కదా మనం 419.5 అనుకున్నాము. సో డే హై వచ్చేసి 425, వేరాజ్ వి గాట్ almost 1.5% growth over here. Whereas in Bharat Electricals Limited, we thought of taking entry at 222.1, almost started at 220 around only, but it was almost whole day it was a downtrend and day's high was 222.8. This is also happened like Bank Nifty, where first 15 minutes it was facing that and later on it was throughout the day it was in a downtrend and booked almost minus 1.5%. Even though not a problem, you don't worry, we wait for another 1 or 2 days. So if we find tomorrow also there is no much fluctuation, then we can exit. Anyhow, our stop loss did not hit, so hope that it definitely will give the profit tomorrow. So that is what about the short term investments. Now when come for intraday review, see here, first time I have highlighted few companies names in colors. Okay, you are able to see, I think so, right? Yeah, why I have colored these means these, especially the Adani Ports, Power Finance and Coal India, they have started with a downtrend. First 15 minutes there was a huge fall of this company stock. Later on slowly it picked up and there was a fluctuation. So these have not much given the scope for us take the trade at the beginning. So manaki the beginning lo trade cheyadaniki dorkaledu. Even Torrent Pharmaceuticals and Nippon Life India kuda manaki ekkado ichayannamata. Almost after 1 o'clock ivi trigger ayyayi. ఇవి కూడా అంతే, స్లోగా వచ్చి ఎప్పుడో ట్రిగ్గర్ అయ్యాయి అన్నమాట. సో ఎప్పుడో వచ్చి ట్రిగ్గర్ అయినవి లేదంటే డౌన్ఫాల్, ఇంతకుముందుకు నేను వీడియోస్లో చెప్పాను, ఐ టోల్ యూ సో ఇన్ సో మెనీ వీడియోస్, డోంట్ టేక్ ద ట్రేడ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఎట్ డౌన్ ట్రెండ్, రైట్? సో దీస్ 3 started with the down trend and these 2 have given somewhere else in future, somewhere. But if you see these entry prices of these 5 stocks which I have highlighted, entry we have taken at 384, but our day's high is 389.4. Okay, so almost it was trying to give some kind of a profit. So 138, then Power Finance 127.5 and this is at 127.95. Coal India 165, day's high was 166.1. 371, 372.55. and 3200 and 3209. So the days high are almost more than our entry, but anyway these have triggered at the end of the day, means like around 1 o'clock. So of course you might have left with the some kind of a day's high, or else it definitely will not hit the stop loss. So that is what about these 5 stocks. And if you see the rest of the stocks, Ashok Leyland Limited, our entry was 138, target was 138.8. So it is given more than that, that's 2 rupees additional. Okay, if it have seen the high, then definitely it would have given you 3 rupees profit, where we expected only 1 rupee profit. JSW Steel also, the target price was 687, but even it went up to 704. Of course, it was opened with high price, almost nearer to our target. Even though the same percentage of growth what we were expecting was given here, not only same, the more than that, more than our expectation, the profit was booked over here. And NTPC, we thought of 136.4 may be our highest price, it went up to 137.35, right? And Sona BLW Precision, 766.5 we thought of, but it booked 700. This one also now opened with high price, almost nearer to our trigger price, nearer to our target, but here also it is given a very good profit over here. And yesterday when I was talking about the Cummins India Limited in the previous video, I told that if the movement is good, you can make it even 1000 as your target price. It's not 1000, it went up to more than 1009, even closing also it is 1002. So the people who have taken this trade definitely have a very good profit, more than what our expectation. If you have not exited on your own, even it is closed by the brokerage also, you are at the profit. So this is what today's trades for friends. Okay, now let us see the stock picks for tomorrow, that is for intraday. Canara Bank, take entry at 228.10, target పెట్టుకోండి 229. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 రూపీ మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. జిందాల్ స్టీల్ అండ్ పవర్ లిమిటెడ్ 419.5, హియర్ దగ్గరగా మీరు 2 రూపీస్ 50 పైసా యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ది ప్రాఫిట్. వెరాస్ ఆదిత్య బిర్లా ఫ్యాషన్ యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ 4 రూపీస్ 50 పైసా. JSW Energy, 315.2 will be your entry and should be your entry, and target price will be 323. JSW Energy movement, sometimes it will give a very good profit, and sometimes it may be like sideways. So if for this stock also, if you find the movement is good, please you focus this target, or else even you can little increase it. Okay, if movement you don't find better, then better you can reduce this target. Okay, then Container Corporation of India Limited, target price entry you can take at 691, you can expect 6 rupees profit on this. Okay, so these are the stocks for tomorrow, friends. And let us see the support and resistance. If you see the review, as I told you at the beginning, Nifty has faced medium volatility in the first 15 minutes. Later on, it is always trying to cross this resistance levels, but it was able to sustain. So in the support, it was able to sustain at the resistance level only. So in the first support itself, 18,228, it's almost more than this and less than our first resistance. So in between it is thought of taking it, and from there it was 4 times almost it's touched around 18,304 once, and 18,310 once, and 18,313 the other time, and even finally it closed by 18,308. So Nifty is very very close to our expectations while observing, but Bank Nifty, as I told you, first 15 minutes there was a huge volatility, that is almost 38,540, not even 540, 620 also it reached in the 6th minute. Later on it was coming down to 38,130, and so there was a little upward movement whenever it was taking the support. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ సపోర్ట్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు అంతగా పుష్ చేయలేకపోయింది, బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ అప్వర్డ్గా పుష్ చేయలేకపోయింది. సో అది సైడ్ వేస్గానే అనుకోవాలి, ఆల్మోస్ట్గా ఇది సైడ్ వేస్లోనే ఉండింది. సో ఫైనలీ సమ్ 38,200 దగ్గర ఇది క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది అనమాట. సో ఇది ఈ రోజుకి రివ్యూ. నా ఇప్పుడు రేపటికి చూస్తే బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ ఫస్ట్ సపోర్ట్ మనం 18,250 అనుకుంటున్నాము. ఆల్రెడీ 308లో క్లోజ్ అయింది కనుక ఒకవేళ అది మిస్ అవుతే అనదర్ 55 పాయింట్స్ కిందికి పెట్టుకొని 18,195 అనుకుంటున్నాము. రెసిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ 18,470 అనుకుంటున్నాము. ఎలాగూ అది 18,300 దగ్గర రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఫేస్ చేస్తూ ఉంది కనుక ఇన్ కేస్ అది ఒకవేళ అక్కడ పాసిబిలిటీ ఉండి మూవ్ అప్ అయిపోతే మాత్రం 18,470 వరకు వెళ్ళొచ్చేమో అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. అది కూడా క్రాస్ అయిపోతే మాత్రం 18,580. ఒకవేళ గ్యాప్ అప్తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతే మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా 580 కూడా రీచ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. సో బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీకి వచ్చేసరికి సపోర్ట్ 38,100 అని అనుకుంటున్నాము. అది ఒకవేళ అక్కడ కూడా తను అది సస్టైన్ అవ్వలేకపోయింది అంటే 37,700 దగ్గర అవుతుండొచ్చు అని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను. సో రెసిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చేసి 38,320 దగ్గర అది ఫస్ట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఫేస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఒకవేళ మార్కెట్ బాగుంది ఇంకా పైకి వెళ్ళింది అంటే 470 వరకు వెళ్తుంది అనేసి నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫర్ టుమారో. Hope you are enjoying my suggestions and trading also. So also ask your friends, relatives and colleagues to subscribe my channel so that you can get some good stocks to trade on the spot. So you can reduce your time spending on research and finding out the stocks. Definitely you will be enjoying your trading and enjoying the profit. I suggest you people to watch another video which was already posted that was related to e-learning classes. So Diksuchi has started e-learning center where February month one course and March another course we are planning to. The entries are limited, that is only 30. So there are no restrictions for anybody, there is no eligibility for it. Whoever is interested they can join. Whoever is interested they can mail to us so that we can share the details, then you can join for it. But there are only limited seats. Please go through that video and try to understand what exactly we are going to discuss in this e-learning center. Okay, so again we'll meet in the next tomorrow's video friends. Till then take care, bye bye.